Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can see, this is Aprilia Storm. Wow, as you can see, the look of the vehicle is, we can say that the tire on the wheels. So here is a tire profile. Mainly the Aprilia will focus on the tire. So this tire profile gets up to 120/80 12 inches tires. You can see these tires are 12 inches tire. On scooter, this is a massive wheel, we can say that. And other side, there is no disc brake, there is only a drum brake and a single drum brake, we can say that. No combo brakes like Activa 5Gs and 6Gs, all generations of Activas. So next get to the shock absorbers. As we can see here, these are the shock absorbers of Monopoly shock absorbers that, and we can see complete package of here. There is no outlooking of mudguard here. It's a complete pack of the front mudguard, and this is a plastic mudguard. The quality of plastic mudguard also good, and you can see the wheel alloy wheels. It get 3-spoke alloy wheels and piano black finish paint. The paint of the vehicle wheels are very good. So this is the side profile of the vehicle. You can see the finish of the vehicle is red and black. We can see here the Storm and 3V Tech. It also called as 3V Tech engine. So this engine capacity is 125cc and 9 Newton meters of bhp and 9 Newton meters of torque we get in this engine. And these are the side pedals. These are very hard, and the quality of the side pedals are very good. And on the other hand, we can see that here is the engine self start, horn, indicator, passing light and the focus light. On the other hand, we can see the side view mirrors are large enough of sides. Here is a key placement. The disappointing of key placement is somehow under, so we can't visible at the night time. So this is a minus point, we can say. And here is a hook of the vehicle, and there is no hook here. There is only a single hook, and the space at the foot is also less, not so much. So this is also a complete plastics. The plastic quality is a good on this vehicle, we can say that. And it's all a completely plastic and fiber mixed. So on the other hand, this is the silencer of the vehicle, we can see. And the rear tire, as we can see, 130/80 12 inches. The front wheel is 120/70 12 inches, and the rear wheel is 130/80 12 inches. It is a more than a front wheel, we can see here. See the tire profile of the vehicle. This is large enough of scooters. This is the only vehicle which has a tire profile is big enough of the vehicle. And no LEDs on indicators, only bulbs. This is a tail, and this look like copy like from the Scooty Pep of the tail light. And here is a radium, and we can see this placement is for number plate, and the mudguard of the rear is very large from there to here. It is too enough, and you also get a dual shade mudguard. So you can see here, so that in rainy season there will be no dirty zone of the vehicle. So next, coming to the other profile. So you can see here, this is the engine of the other side. This is the air filter. It also in a plastic, and there is the Aprilia logo on the vehicle, and this comes in the silver out finishing. So this is complete outlook of engine. You can see there is no package of engine with a body, so it's a complete outlook of engine. So you can see this is finishing is superb, you can say. This single shock absorber, single Monopoly shock absorber at the rear. Front we have a suspension of shock absorber, dual shock absorbers, and the rear. So getting to the cluster, speedometer, fuel meter. This is a basic variant. In this we also get a top variant. This is only just a basic variant, and you can see here choke of the vehicle, and we get some stuff for fuse plug. There is one box type here, so that we can remove the fuse plug. At the front we can see the headlight of the vehicle. It is completely attached to the body of the vehicle, so that there is no attachment of the like Activas and other designs of scooter. Plain, and we can see that Aprilia logo here. There is no LEDs, only bulbs. And the other side, this is a front brake and rear brake. So this is a review of the Aprilia Storm. So as per this, for my opinion, this is a huge price of Aprilia Storm, but the features on this are very less compared to other scooters. So as per my choice, I can say that the Aprilia is very high price compared to other scooters. So the quality build also average. Only the tire profile is big, we can see vehicle on the tires, and we can see here the finishing of main screw is finished in silver. And this is the engine, you can see from here, so that the engine will look out completely, so that in rainy season it will get very dusty soon, so that the package of the vehicle is completely closed with the plastics and high quality of plastics and fibers. So overall the vehicle is okay, but as per my opinion is that this worth of the cost is not so much as compared to other scooters, I can say that easily. So who have the favorite choice of Aprilia and who have the favorite value of this brand and who are the fans of this Aprilia, they can go to this Strom. The ground clearance of Aprilia is 157 mm of ground clearance, and the fuel tank capacity is 6.7 liters of Aprilia. It's more than a Activas and other scooters, we can say that. And we can say that it is more than other scooters of fuel tank. It can easily pull 260 kilometers at the full tank capacity. And this is side profile of the Aprilia Strom. Here you can see hashtag be a racer bike, but as per my opinion this is not a racer bike. So the pickup and the cc of the engine is so small, and the pickup and the newton meters and bhp of torque at this engine and this price segment, scooter cannot pull that much fast as Activas and Metros. Competition is heavy in the market, as we can know. As here we can see the navigation logo, this is a retro finishing and completely stickers with the black finishing at the red body colors. This is red and black segment, so we can see a copper finishing silencer pipe looking out. This is some retro look we can see here, and this is an engine fan, this is an engine oil to keep, and the resale value is also a less for this vehicle, but as per my opinion. So friends, you can see here the key placement of board is here for fuel and other board. So let's open and see what is the inside of the board. So here you can see the space inside the vehicle is not so much, it is less. A half size helmet it will fix, not so much. And the finishing of the seat is awesome, we can say. The plastic is good, high quality on these vehicles. And here you can see the petrol lid, so there is no out, as new features came for the other bikes, as petrol lid should be outside. So the petrol lid is inside only, as we can know. So this is a boot space. There is no charging socket, there is no light, LED light, etc. anything, nothing. This is a dummy feature. So as per my opinion, as per this price segment, this feature is very less. The seat comfort is, the Rexin is not so high quality, and also a comfort level is not so good. But the long drives it can be go for 100 kilometers non-stop. The wide of the seat is better than all the vehicles. The pillion seat is somehow high, and you can see footrest here, very hard. So overall quality of the build quality is super of the vehicle, I can say. The qualities are very hard and build quality is super, but as per my opinion, as per this price segment is very low. So let's do now test drive and see what the performance of this vehicle. You can see the sound is very less. Now test the road test. Complete throttle I have been given. This is a 9 bhp of power at the 9 Newton meters of torque. So let's see the top speed of the vehicle. Sorry friends, the speedometer is not working and the fuel gauge is not working in this vehicle. And the view of the side mirrors are very good, we can say. And the accelerator is also smooth as per the other side, as per this price segment. And not disc brake, so both are drum brakes at the single cable. So the brakes are very poor, not so average also. Now take the U-turn and see without keeping the legs down. Turning radius is very small, we can ride in a straight rides. It is better for a straight rides and also a family who have been ride for short journeys. It is a good, and the radius of the vehicle is short. As per this price segment, the vehicle of pickup also not so good, we can say, just an average. I give a 10 out of 6 for this vehicle. And the other side, the suspension of this vehicle and the shock absorbers is good. Let's check. The suspension of the front is monopoly suspension. The rear suspension is somehow hard, single shock absorber suspension. So as per this price segment, I say is a basic variant, also a not so good performing Aprilia. Only the tires of the profile is high, so that the vehicle stability is somehow good. So we have heavy competition in the market of scooters. So we know that at 125cc we are getting only 9 bhp of power and 9 newton meters of torque. It is very less as compared with other scooters in the market. I think Aprilia should be improved somehow. But only one of the plus point is the petrol capacity of the vehicle is 6.7 liters. As we can do full tank as once we can go around 260 kilometers, and the mileage of the vehicle is good, 40 kilometers per liter, and the speed of the vehicle is 9 bhp of power at 9 newton meters of torque, and top stand speed is 80 kilometers per hour top speed. Moreover, nothing to say in this vehicle, that this is only a vehicle for short journeys and street rides, and this daily purpose this vehicle is not suits for them, I think. And the brakes are, I must say, poor, I can say. So there should be some of brakes quality should be improved from the Aprilia Strom. So as per this price segment, I'm saying many times as a price segment, so I'm not saying the price of the vehicle, because in every state there will be some difference of the price, so I can't say the price. So now you can see in the traffic control, and this is BS6 engine, 125cc, and it is above than 1 lakh as ex-showroom in Hyderabad. As per this price segment, not performing the vehicle. Handlebars are not so good. They are wide, but the position of the handlebar is not so good and less from comparison to other vehicles. So competition is very high. So you can choose the best choice. As per my opinion, I have give the review. So this is the video of Aprilia Strom. If you like my video, please like the video and share to your friends. And if you didn't subscribe till now the channel, please subscribe to my channel. There is a bell icon. Thank you so much.